Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Furqan Aziz. In today's topic, we will discuss about how to make a furniture layout of that plan that we had built on previous sessions. So, in our previous sessions, first we had built uh, walls, or external walls and internal walls of our plan. And in next session, we had made openings or doors and windows in our plan. And in third session, we had made doors and placed them in their original position. And in today's topic, we will discuss about furniture layout of that plan. So basically, in furniture layout, you just have to first delete all these labels that which we had placed in our previous sessions. So basically, I'll select all those and delete, and I just place them in the original positions. First, we have to double click them because there I had made all the blocks that we have to place in our layout. So basically, I will delete all these details that I had built in my previous that I had built for aesthetics in my layout plan. This is basically block editor. I had not told you about it yet, but in our future sessions I will give you detailed how to make such type of block in your AutoCAD drawing. First, when you made changes, then you just have to click it and it would automatically ask you about the save changes. And because we had done changes, so just you have to move it and place in its right spot. But I will rotate it, but this one is not according to scale, so we have to first change the scale. For changing the scale, you have to type SC, enter, and specify the base point, and then in your command you have to type R and then select your object and then type P and then I will rotate it. Then copy it and paste it, and after that I will place some of sofas around it and also change the rotation as well. And again copy it. I will mirror it. First I will change the position of my bed as well. Then I will put my kitchen area. First I have to rotate it. And then place it in its original position, which is this area, and then place refrigerator as well with it. And lastly, I will go towards my living area. First we have to rotate it and move it to the original position. Also rotate another one. I will move it, and then simply you have to mirror it. Adjust some of the spaces that we had already built. I will also put one of the sofas comfort here. Lastly, I will put the table. And I will again go to blocks tab. And remove some of the things that I just put on in my block. Simply delete them and save it. And this would be the furniture layout of our plan. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hope it would be beneficial for you, and kindly subscribe my channel.